and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add site links in Google Ads. Let's say you want to add site links in your Google Ads. How do you do it? The first thing you need to do is access the assets section. Now, how do you get here? In Google Ads account, click on the campaigns icon. Then click the assets drop from the drop down menu. Next, select assets. Now let me repeat that. First of all, go to your Google Ads account, then click on the campaigns icon. Then choose the assets drop down menu in the section menu and then select assets. Once you've done this, create a new site link by clicking the plus icon to add a new asset. Select site link from the list of choices. Add site link assets view will appear. Then you select create new to make a new site link asset. Once you've done this, you have to enter site link text. Now, a site link text is a clickable text that will appear below your ad. So make sure you keep it concise and relevant. The maximum should be 25 characters. Then you enter the final URL. This is the full URL of the landing page where users will be directed when they click on the site link. It's also optional to enter description lines. You can add optional description lines up to 35 characters each to provide additional context for the site link. Once you're done with this, the third step is to apply site link to your campaign. Now, site links can be applied at the account, campaign, or ad group level. You can choose the appropriate level for your campaign structure. It's as simple as that. And here are some key considerations. 1. Relevance. Ensure your site links are relevant to your main ad and the user search query. Clarity. Use clear, concise text for your site links that accurately describes the content of the linked page. Unique destinations. Each site link should lead to a unique page on your website, not the same page as your main ad or other site links. Testing. You need to experiment with different site links and analyze their performance to determine which ones are most effective. Mobile optimization. With the majority of Google searches now occurring on mobile devices, it is really essential to ensure that your site links are optimized for mobile viewing. So keep the text short and the links easy to tap on smaller screens. By following these steps, you can effectively add site links to your Google Ads campaigns to improve click-through rates, drive more qualified traffic to your website, and increase conversions. Please note that this information is for general guidance only. The exact steps and options may vary slightly depending on your Google Ads account settings and the current version of the Google Ads interface you're using. So always refer to the official Google Ads Help Center for the most up-to-date and accurate information. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.